After completing the AT, right-click on the block. Select New 2D Reconstruction. Select the coordinate system. Set the tile size. Click Submit Production. In the Product Setting interface, you can choose product type. Note, the resolution value of DOM should be larger than the block resolution. The resolution value of DSM should be more than twice of the block resolution. After setting the resolution, click Select Grids. Grids corresponds to the tile in the reconstruction settings. Select the area to be reconstructed and click OK. Click Submit. The 2D reconstruction is running. When finished, open the output directory. Select the output DOM result. Drag and drop it into Get3D Viewer to view the result. Now the DOM is displayed in a split format. Get3D Mapper has a tool to merge DOM or DSM. Open the project where the result is located. Click Tool, Merge DOM or DSM. Select the block where the product is located. Select the reconstruction location. Select the products to be merged. Click Merge. After the merge is completed, open File. The result will be a complete one. Open the result with Get3D Viewer. View the product.